Certainly. Here's a brief description of how AI can make your work easier in various aspects of YouTube video creation. Making YouTube videos, AI can assist in video editing tasks by automating processes like trimming, merging, and enhancing footage. It can also recommend visual effects, transitions, and music based on the video content. Voiceover AI-powered text-to-speech technology can generate realistic voiceovers, eliminating the need to hire voice actors. You can simply input the script, select a preferred voice style, and the AI will generate the spoken audio. Script creation AI can aid in script writing by providing suggestions, generating outlines, and helping with storyboarding. It can analyze existing content and generate ideas based on popular trends or user preferences. AI avatar images AI can generate virtual avatars or characters that can be used in videos. These avatars can be customized with different facial expressions, clothing styles, and animations, making them ideal for explainer videos or adding a personalized touch to your content. Finding YouTube short video tags AI can analyze your video content and suggest relevant tags to improve its discoverability. It can identify keywords, topics, and trends that are popular among your target audience, helping you optimize your videos with video structure, making it easier to create engaging vlogs. Video making AI can automate certain aspects of video production, such as video stabilization, color correction, and image recognition. It can also recommend suitable shots or visuals based on your content, saving your time and effort. Overall, AI technologies can streamline various tasks in YouTube video creation, from editing and scripting to optimizing content and enhancing visuals. By leveraging AI tools, creators can focus more on their creative ideas and storytelling, while the technology handles the technical aspects. Certainly, artificial intelligence, robots, and technology are areas of innovation and research that involve the development and application of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI robots are designed to interact with their environment, analyze data, learn from experiences, and make decisions or take actions based on that information. AI robots are built using a combination of hardware and software components. The hardware includes sensors, actuators, processors, and memory, while the software comprises algorithms and models that enable the robot to perceive, understand, and respond to its surroundings. These robots can be autonomous, meaning they can operate independently, or they can be remotely controlled by a human operator. The field of AI encompasses various technologies and techniques that enable robots to exhibit intelligent behavior. Some key areas of AI technology include A. Machine learning. This branch of AI focuses on algorithms and models that enable robots to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Machine learning techniques include supervised learning, where the robot is trained on labeled data, unsupervised learning, where the robot discovers patterns in unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning, where the robot learns through trial and error. So, computer vision involves teaching robots to perceive and understand visual information from images or videos. This technology enables robots to recognize objects, people, and their surroundings, and it plays a crucial role in tasks such as object detection, facial recognition, and image classification. T. Natural language processing (NLP). NLP allows robots to understand and interact with human language. It involves techniques for speech recognition, language understanding, and language generation. NLP enables robots to respond to voice commands, carry out conversations, and process textual information. 4. Robotics. Robotics combines AI with mechanical engineering to create physical machines capable of performing tasks. Robots can be designed for various purposes, such as industrial automation, healthcare assistance, household chores, and exploration in hazardous environments. AI robots and technology have the potential to revolutionize numerous industries and domains. They can enhance productivity, improve efficiency, and enable new capabilities in areas such as healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, agriculture, and entertainment. However, they also raise ethical and societal considerations, including concerns about privacy, job displacement, and the impact on human well-being. As technology advances, AI robots are becoming more sophisticated, capable, and integrated into our daily lives. Researchers and developers continue to push the boundaries of AI to create intelligent machines that can adapt, learn, and collaborate with humans, ultimately aiming to create a future where humans and robots coexist and complement each other's strengths.